Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at the module 2, which is the HTML head and body tags. From where we stopped, I've explained this head section and the body section. Now I want to speak further on these two. Like I said, it's just like normal human being that we have head and body. There are things that will be in the head that will not be shown on the page. But whatever you have in the body can be shown on the web page. Okay, so let us look at the title tag. Title is located in the head. Meta is located in the head. You can put style in the head, script in the head or the body. So let us quickly run through these four before we go to the body. To add a title to your page, let me open the page. You can see this is the title of the page. Title will be shown in this title bar. That is index.html. If you come to this head here, you put less than title, that is title tag, then you have to close it slash title. I told you when you have closing tag, you have closing tag as well. Then you can write the title of this page. Let us just call it HTML and CSS class 1. Okay, then this page is home page, so let's call it home. Okay, save it, then refresh this page. Look at the name here, HTML and CSS class 1 home. If you have another page called about, you have to put the title on that page as well to be about. It's going to be the same thing like HTML and CSS class 1 about. If you have contact us, you just change this name to contact or contact us. If there's another page for product and services, just write it like that. But only one title must be in a page. You cannot have two titles in a page. Don't forget that. Then your title will be located in the head. You can see this is the opening tag of the head, and this is the closing tag of the head. You can see that this yellow word is on the page because in the body, but the title is not shown. It's shown in the title bar here, as you can see. So that is about title. Then the next one is meta. This meta is very wide. I will just speak briefly on meta. Then when we get to the advanced class, I will say more. Okay, look at this meta. You just say meta. Then it always have two elements, name, which is equal to, then you put double quotes, and content equal to and double quotes. Anytime you use equal to in HTML, you introduce these double quotes. So meta is used for so many things. If you write a description, if the name of this meta is description, for instance, description, then the content is, let's say, best HTML class. By the time best HTML class is being searched in Google or any search engine, once you have it in the meta here, Google will, the search engine will rate this page as one of the best. If you just bring it to the screen, then this will now appear. This one will appear as a title. Let me give us practical demonstration of that. So this is Google. I want to Google search something. Let's say um, let me just say host. Okay, host, host. Oh, okay, let me say I want to search for another thing. Let's say coding class. Okay, search for coding class. Fine. Look at this. You can see that this name is clickable. It means that on this particular website, or let me use this, on this website, this is the title that they put on the page. Learn coding minus beginner minus friendly lessons, whatever. So this is the title of the page that they inserted here, this place. So this title is now clickable in such a way that when we click it, it will take us to the main website. And this is the description. This one is the description. So this has been inserted into this description here. That is why search engine is bringing it. That's why search engine is bringing it to the page. We have so many of them, but if you just look at all the websites in the world that has a related content to this thing. So let me give us another example. Assuming you have a school, is a school website, and you want to put this content, you can just say best school in Nigeria, comma, best school in Lagos State, comma, best school in Ikorodu. So anytime they search best school in Lagos State is one of those things that will come to the page. When they search best school in Nigeria, is one of those things that will come on the page. When search best school in Ikorodu, it also be among those things that will come on the page. Or even if they type school or best, so far it is related to what we have here, it's going to bring it to the page. We have so many things that we can do with Meta. We have a lot of them. If you want to refresh a page, you can also use Meta to refresh like this. Meta HTTP minus equivalent, that's equiv. Okay, then content equal to, I mean, you want to refresh this page every 5 seconds, let's say every 2 seconds. Okay, then refresh is the name here. Refresh. Save it. By the time you open this page, refresh the page, it means that this page will be refreshing every two seconds with this. It will be refreshing every two seconds. It's as simple as that. There are things you can do with this. I will give us more tips. But in order not to waste much of our time on this, let me just remove this. Okay. So let's go to the next one, which is style tag. Okay. This style. Style is the CSS. You can also call it cascading style sheet. You just have to, it depends. If you are using inline CSS, you just have to write the code. Then inside the opening tag here, let's say style equal to When you know, like I said, when you have equal to put double quote, just a background, then you put colon, yellow, then semicolon. Semicolon is like putting full stop on every statement. So when you are coding, anytime you put semicolon, it means you are putting full stop. Now, save this, go and refresh the page. Style equal to background, sorry, background. Okay. So by the time you refresh, this page is going to come in yellow. Yes, you can see that the background of the page is now yellow because we have put the style here, background. This one is called inline CSS, inline styling. We have about three types of CSS, of coding our CSS. We have inline, that is when you point it to whatever you are styling. We have internal CSS, when you put the style here, you can put the style tag here, then you write so many things inside that style box. That will be in the advanced class. Then you can also have external CSS. You just create a file, put all your CSS there, then use that CSS, one particular file, to control all the pages on your website, just like in your folder. If you have 100 pages, but you are using internal CSS, it means that you are going to put the CSS, you are going to write the code in 100 places. But when you have external, you just create a file, put your CSS there, then link to all pages, then it will affect them automatically. But we are not going to do that here. So in advanced class, you will learn more of the CSS because this class is for the beginners. So let us change this color to red, save it, refresh, as you can see. So it's as simple as that. That is about style. Then let's go to script. Okay, script is for JavaScript. Actually, I'm not teaching us JavaScript, but I will still need to demonstrate. Let me put script inside the body here. Script can be located in the head and it can also be located in the body. So a style can be located in the head and can be located in the body. Let us look at this example. Just a script, close it, the closing tag of script. Now, within this place, if you write, let's say, alert, alert function, the full stop, then inside this place, I want to say, welcome back. Let me just say welcome back, save it. Then if you refresh this page, alert will pop up. You can see the alert. Welcome back. Okay. As you can see, if you refresh again, alert is going to pop up. Can you see that? So that is JavaScript. So script can be in the head, it can be in the body. Script is also useful when you are writing your code. Let me give us few explanation on usage of script. Script will make your web page interactive. When assuming you want to log in into a page, when you insert your username and password, and there's nothing like that username and password in the database, it is the JavaScript that will tell you that uh, incorrect username or password. Then when you have username but the password is wrong, it's going to tell you maybe there's error in your username and password. If you are submitting a form and there's a particular place that you need to fill, if the place is empty, this script can notify you that the field cannot be empty depending on what has been programmed on the in the project, then it can also direct you to another page. So there are things you can do with JavaScript, like calculator, games, uh, what's it called, clock, so many things. But let us leave JavaScript for now. Which other thing? Okay, let's get to the body. I've explained the body. Then under this body, I will explain header and footer. Okay, this is the body of our page from this place downward. So we can divide this page, this particular body, into three, where we have the um, header, main body, and the footer. Look at this code. Let me remove the. Okay, let me just put light blue as the background. You can see when I refresh the alert pop up first before executing the next code. So let me remove this. Okay, let me leave this code. Okay, now when you are writing your code, if you have background for your page, if the background is lighter, then make the text to be deeper. When you are having a light text, it means you can make the background to be deeper. Don't use light text on light background. It will be too flat. Okay, I want to divide this particular page into three, into header, main, and the footer. I can use a tag called div to do that. Now, let me put it here. We have, let's say, div, that's division, div tag, close the div, slash div. So this is the header. Let me put another div slash div. That is for the main body. Then for footer, div again slash div. Okay, you can see I'm having division, three divisions. This is the header. Let me just style this. You can say style equal to, okay, let's say background background of the header. Let's make it blue. Okay, and the height of that header. So you can see that I'm styling it. The style of the header can be, the height can be, let's say 200 px. I'll still expatiate more on style when I get to the CSS. Save this, then refresh this page. Look at it. You can see the header here. So this header will contain the name of the website, the logo of the website, address of the website, and probably the clickable menus of the website. Let me show us a simple example. Let's say, let me look at one of my projects. Um, okay, graph.com.ng. Okay, now from this place to this place is the header of this site, and the footer is down here. from this place to this place is the footer. You can see the name of my company, Faba Digitech. This is one of my projects. Okay, you can see the logo of that organization, then the address of the organization, their email, the contact, then the users can go to their dashboard to log in. Then look at the menu. You can see the menu is for football league, come to look at matches, and so on. So this is the header. This section is the header. Let us look at another project. The glowing light is loading. It's still loading. Okay, now this is the header from this place. Look at the logo down to this contact. When I scroll, see that the header is not moving with the page. Okay, so this is another project. If you go down here, you're going to see you can see Cyber Digitech. Okay, so let us go back to our work. This is header. Then let me do the same thing for footer because it is advisable you have the same background for your header and footer. Copy. So this place is the opening part of the header. You close it here. Then this is the main body. Then this one is for the footer. So in the opening tag, inside the opening tag, I also put it. Then for main body, put the background for the main body can be, let's say, white. Let's say white. Okay. Then height can be 700. Or let me put 800. 800 pixel. Okay. Refresh this. Okay. Now as you can see, no, this page has header. It has header here. Then this is the body. White space is the body. Then it has footer here. So this hello world is under here because it is below the footer. No, this is the end of the footer. This hello world is below the footer. If you put this hello world, just cut this, put it within the body. This is the body. Save it. When you refresh, it's going to appear within the body here. As you can see, it's not in the body. So if you have 100 pages inside the website, they will all have the same header and the same footer. Only the content in the main body will be different. So by the time we progress into in this course, you will understand more. So that is that on the on subtopics under module 2. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like I said. Then if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment. Thank you.